Welcome friends. Today we are going to see a common concept in OOPS programming, means Java programming language. There is a OOPS. OOPS means object oriented programming steps. There is a four pillar of the OOPS like inheritance, abstraction, encapsulation and polymorphism. So let's deep dive into this. First we are going to see here I have created one PDF. Here inheritance, what is inheritance? It allows a child class to inherit properties and method from the parent class, creating hierarchical relation between them. Means the whatever the methods or member data members which is available in the parent is available to the child classes. Means we can use that in our child classes. Here one real world example I have given. Like in a vehicle management system, a car class can inherit from more general vehicle class. Suppose vehicle class is there, so we what we can do, like car is there, bike is there. This we can extend to the vehicle. So we will have basic functionality of the vehicle available into the our subclasses. Like car has four wheeler, bike has two wheeler. But the wheel is the main method in the vehicle class, so that we can use in our subclasses. Next, here coding example I have given a class vehicle. Like vehicle class contain make, model, and year. Means when it is made, what is the model and year. In case of car class, what it can extend vehicle number of doors, means how many number of doors there in vehicle class. This we can use. Next concept is abstractions. Abstraction hides the internal implementation details and expose only necessary feature to and behavior to the end user. Abstraction means we only show the 0 to 100% of the functionality to the end user. What is the 0 to 100% means? We need to define abstract method in abstract classes, and we need to provide implementation for that. For example, here I have taken one example, abstract class animal. Like here, animal abstract void makes sounds. So here different animal will be there, like a dog will be there, as well as cat will be there. They can make a different sound, so we can extend this animal class, and we can use this make sound method in our child classes. One of the real world example for this, a remote control abstract the complex internal mechanism of TV, allowing user to control basic functions like power, volume, and channel selection. Based on like one on a single button. Here they have given one remote example, like based on we can on off, but external functionality we don't know about here. Based on the remote we can like we can handle all our systems. Next, here it is encapsulation. What is encapsulation is, encapsulation is bind data and method into the single unit, hiding the internal implementation from the outside world. Encapsulation, it is like we can wrap all the methods and classes into the one single unit. And Here one example is, they have given a bank account encapsulate account balance and transaction history, providing control access through method like deposit and withdraw. Here code snippet as we have given, class bank account, private double balance, public void deposit. Here is a deposit method which is abstract. So base example here is like, we can make member as a private, and we provide them as a public exposure like getter and setter we can use. Based on that we can achieve our encapsulations. uh, Next concept here is polymorphism. What is polymorphism means many form of the one any methods or any class. So here polymorphism allows object of different classes to be treated as object of common superclass. Means one common superclass will be there and different classes we have for that. What is a real world example for that? A class media player can play different types of audio files without needing to know of specific file format. Like here they have given one real world example and one code snippet here like audio player, public wide play audio play, whereas mp3 extends audio. So we can have multiple form of inputs here like mp3 web flag in the polymorphism. Poly means many form of the ones. Like suppose one method we have taken absolute method that is taking one int parameter as well as it can take float parameter. Means many form of the one methods or variables. So next here is inheritance. What is inheritance? Inheritance means like inheriting the parent property into the subclasses. The parent class, also known as superclass, and define the common properties and methods shared by all child classes. So child class or subclass inherit the attribute of behavior from the parent class and can also add new feature or override inherit one. Means one child class can access the all the functionality which is available in the parent class. We can access parent class child class object with the help of parent class, but we can't access parent class object with the help of child class. Method overriding is one concept. Subclasses can override the implementation of inherited methods to provide their own specific behavior. Means there is one method is there in parent class, like we have taken public void em1, so we can redefine that method in our child subclasses. We can provide our own implementations. That is method overriding. And abstraction in Java, like interface here. Interface define a contract of methods that class must implement, providing a way to achieve abstraction. Means inside interfaces we can define only abstracts method, and we need to provide implementation for that method. And abstract classes can provide partial implementation and act as a base for concrete subclasses to inherit from. Means abstract class can have abstract method as well as non-abstract method. So those are abstract method. For that we need to provide implementation. And default method they have introduced in Java. It introduced default method in interfaces, allowing the addition of new functionality without breaking existing implementation. Means we can define abstract default method in Java 8 onwards. So we can use different functionality here. Then encapsulations like access modifiers we can use in encapsulation private. So it hide internal implementation details and allow control access through public methods. Means with the help of getter setter, which is a public method, we can expose these data members. And then protected allow access to the subclasses while restricting access to the general publics. Means we can use protector to the then access with the help of public. And public is method which is accessible, every anyone can access these methods. And how we can achieve polymorphism, method overloading and overriding. Like a method overloading allows a class to have multiple methods with the same name but different parameter, providing flexibility in method calls. Means same name but a different parameter, which is known as method overloading. And method overriding is overriding allows a subclass to provide its own implementation of the method inherited from the parent class. Means it is here we need to like method overriding happen like within two classes, but method overloading happen in single classes as well. Like here, if we mention in one method in parent class, then we can override that method in our subclasses. And upcasting and downcasting. Upcasting allows a child object to be treated as parent object, while downcasting converts parent object back to the child object. Next, that's all from these videos. Here some reference they have given which we can use. I hope you got gain some knowledge from these videos. Thanks for watching these videos, guys. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like videos. Thank you.